Where is the fuse box located in 2025 Genesis G80, and how can you easily identify the specific fuses for various components? In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Genesis G80 fuse box diagram and its location. Engine compartment fuse panel, engine room junction block. The 2025 Genesis G80 engine compartment fuse panel, engine room junction block, houses fuses for critical engine components. It provides easy access for fuse replacements, ensuring smooth operation of electrical systems like ignition and cooling. Engine compartment fuse panel, engine room subjunction block. The 2025 Genesis G80 engine compartment fuse panel, engine room subjunction block, controls auxiliary engine function, ensuring proper power distribution to various electrical components. Trunk fuse panel, rear subjunction block. The 2025 Genesis G80 trunk fuse panel, rear sub-junction block, manages power for rear electrical systems, including the trunk, taillights, and other auxiliary components. Trunk fuse panel, battery junction block. The 2025 Genesis G80 trunk fuse panel, battery junction block, distributes power from the battery to key electrical components in the trunk area for optimal functionality. Instrument panel, fuse panel. The 2025 Genesis G80's instrument panel fuse box features a detailed label inside the cover, identifying each fuse's name and capacity. This panel protects various electrical components, including the sunroof motor, multimedia systems, instrument cluster, and head-up display.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.